Welcome. Today we dive into the world of water snakes and their natural enemies. Fascinating, isn't it? Water snakes, a group of snakes found predominantly in the northern hemisphere, are known for their ability to live and thrive in water bodies. They are incredibly diverse, with over 200 species known to science. Their habitats vary from the still waters of ponds and lakes to the rushing currents of rivers and streams. Yet despite their ability to slip away into the water at the first sign of danger, they are not without their threats. From the skies above to the very waters they call home, danger lurks at every corner for these fascinating creatures. And here's the kicker: the most surprising enemy of the water snake is one you would least expect. It's a revelation that will leave you reeling. Stay tuned as we start our countdown with the least surprising of these facts. Starting our countdown at number 5, we have birds. As surprising as it may seem, these feathered creatures are known predators of water snakes. Among the bird species that prey on these serpents, herons and egrets are notable examples. These birds, with their long, sharp beaks and quick reflexes, are adept at catching water snakes off guard. Eagles and hawks, with their keen eyesight and powerful talons, are also known to swoop down and snatch up water snakes. Even seemingly harmless birds like kingfishers have been observed diving into water bodies to catch these serpents. It's a fascinating display of nature's balance where the predator can swiftly become the prey. Each bird species uses unique hunting techniques, from the heron's patient stalking to the eagle's swift aerial assault. This diversity in behavior highlights the adaptability of nature's creatures and the constant struggle for survival within the animal kingdom. That's right, even the skies aren't safe for these aquatic serpents. Moving on to number 4, we have larger snakes. It's a wild world out there, especially for the smaller water snakes, where the peril often lurks from unexpected corners. Sometimes the threat comes not from the skies or the land, but from their own territories, from their own kind. Larger snakes, in their relentless quest for survival, have been known to indulge in cannibalistic behavior, preying on smaller, more vulnerable water snakes. This may seem shocking to us, but in the reptilian world, it's all about survival. Snakes, like many other animals, operate on instincts and survival drives, and when food is scarce, they don't discriminate between species. A larger snake spotting a smaller water snake might see a quick and easy meal, and not a fellow serpent. It's a cruel reality, but it's the way of the wild. The water snake, however, is not an easy target. These creatures are agile swimmers, capable of swift movements and sudden changes in direction. Their slender bodies can quickly coil and uncoil, adding an element of surprise to their defensive tactics. Plus, their keen sense of danger allows them to detect threats and react swiftly. Water snakes also have a few tricks up their scales. They can flatten their bodies to appear larger and more intimidating, and if that doesn't work, they're not above playing dead to throw off their predators. These survival instincts are what have kept water snakes around for millions of years, despite the threats they face from all sides, including from larger snakes. In this survival of the fittest, water snakes and larger snakes are locked in an eternal dance of predator and prey, each trying to outwit the other. It's a testament to the complex and brutal beauty of nature. For the water snake, it's not just about surviving against the odds, but also about evolving and adapting to the ever-changing challenges of its environment. The danger, it seems, often comes from their own kind. At number 3, we have alligators and crocodiles. These two formidable predators are the stuff of nightmares for many creatures, and water snakes are no exception. Both alligators and crocodiles are apex predators in their respective habitats, possessing a combination of raw power, speed, and stealth that makes them highly effective hunters. When it comes to hunting water snakes, alligators and crocodiles employ a range of tactics. They are ambush predators, lying in wait under the surface of the water, their eyes and nostrils the only parts of their bodies visible. When an unsuspecting water snake passes by, they strike with lightning speed, grabbing the snake with their powerful jaws and pulling it under the water. However, despite their fearsome reputation, alligators and crocodiles don't always have it all their way. Water snakes have developed a range of survival strategies to evade these predators. Some species of water snakes are known for their agility and quick reflexes, able to dart away at the slightest hint of danger. Other species rely on their excellent camouflage to blend in with their surroundings, making it difficult for predators to spot them. Water snakes are also known for their defensive behavior when threatened. They can inflate their bodies to appear larger, adopt a threatening posture, and even release a foul-smelling musk to deter potential predators. While these tactics may not always deter a determined alligator or crocodile, they can buy the snake enough time to make a quick escape. It's also worth noting that not all encounters between water snakes and these large predators end in a hunt. There are instances where they coexist peacefully, each respecting the other's space. But when hunger strikes, the natural instincts kick in and the water becomes a battleground. In the water, it's a constant battle for survival. Every day is a challenge, every moment fraught with danger. The water snake, with its agility, cunning and instinct for survival, continues to thrive in a world filled with predators. It's a testament to the incredible adaptability and resilience of these fascinating creatures. Coming in at number 2, surprisingly, we have humans. Now you may be thinking, humans? How can they be a threat to water snakes? Well, humans pose a significant threat to these fascinating creatures, and it's not just because some people have an instinctive fear of snakes. The impact of human activities on the natural habitats of water snakes is immense. The rapid urbanization and industrialization of our world has led to the destruction of many natural habitats, forcing these creatures to adapt to environments that are not ideal for their survival. Take pollution, for instance. Water bodies are becoming increasingly polluted due to the dumping of industrial waste and other pollutants. This not only affects the quality of the water, but also the life within it. Water snakes, like many other aquatic creatures, are sensitive to changes in their environment. Polluted water can lead to a decline in their population, but it's not just about the environment. The direct actions of humans can also pose a threat to water snakes. Despite their crucial role in maintaining the balance in the ecosystem, snakes are often met with fear and hostility. This fear, often irrational, leads to the unnecessary killing of these creatures. In many cultures, snakes are seen as symbols of evil or danger, leading to their persecution. This fear, combined with a lack of understanding and respect for these creatures, can lead to their unnecessary killing. Moreover, the illegal pet trade also poses a significant threat to water snakes. Many species are captured and sold as exotic pets, often leading to their death due to improper care and handling. It's important to remember that every creature, no matter how small or seemingly insignificant, plays a crucial role in maintaining the balance of our planet's ecosystems. Water snakes are no different. So, next time you come across a water snake, remember, they're not the enemy. They're just trying to survive like the rest of us. Yes, the most intelligent species on the planet also poses a threat to these creatures. And now, the moment you've been waiting for, the most surprising enemy of water snakes. Prepare to be astounded, because the most surprising enemy of water snakes is in fact other water snakes. Yes, you heard it right. This might seem like a twist straight out of a thriller, but nature is full of unexpected surprises. Water snakes are known to be cannibalistic. This means they sometimes eat their own kind. It's a harsh reality, but in the wild, survival is the name of the game, and water snakes are no exceptions to this rule. This behavior isn't driven by a nefarious desire, but rather by sheer necessity. When food sources become scarce, water snakes may turn to their own species as a source of sustenance. Interestingly, it's usually the larger adult water snakes that prey on the smaller, younger ones. This is because the size difference makes the hunt easier and the reward worthwhile. The younger snakes provide a substantial meal, helping the adult snake to sustain itself in periods of scarcity. This cannibalistic behavior also serves another purpose. It helps control the population of water snakes. By preying on the younger members of their species, adult water snakes inadvertently keep their numbers in check, ensuring a balance in their ecosystem. And it's not just the adult snakes preying on the young ones. Female water snakes have been observed to eat their own offspring. As gruesome as it sounds, this behavior is driven by the same need: survival. After giving birth, the female snake is often weak and hungry. Eating her own young provides her with much-needed nutrients to recover her strength. In the end, Nature's laws are both complex and simple. It's all about survival and balance, even if it means becoming your own enemy. And in the world of water snakes, this rule is no exception. There you have it, the most unexpected foe in the world of water snakes. As we reach the end of our countdown, let's revisit what we've learned. We've journeyed through the world of water snakes and their natural enemies, from the skies above where predatory birds swoop down with deadly precision to the murky depths where larger snakes, alligators and crocodiles lurk. We've uncovered the perils that these fascinating creatures face each day. Even on land, danger is never far away, with humans posing a significant threat. But in the face of these challenges, water snakes continue to thrive, showcasing the remarkable resilience of life in the wild. And who could forget our most surprising enemy? A reminder indeed that nature never ceases to amaze. This understanding of the water snake's natural enemies is not just intriguing, but also vital for their survival and the balance of our ecosystems. Thank you for joining us. Until next time, keep exploring the fascinating world around you.